Introducing a profitable cleaning business with established contracts, Yeppoon, Queensland. If you're looking for a good income with job security and easy to learn skills required, this beachside business will tick all your boxes. Established in 2013, the forecast turnover for 2019 is $240,000, with potential to increase profits by working in the business yourself and reducing staff costs. The business services upper-level residential and long-term commercial clients, including a substantial contract with a corporate client. There are good, reliable cleaning staff in place working 4 a.m. to 3 p.m, with the owner working around 15 hours a week on management. This well-known established business comes with a long list of equipment and full training will be provided to the new owner. This opportunity is located in the beautiful coastal town of Yeppoon, one of the faster growing areas outside the southeast corner. The region offers unrivaled investment and commercial opportunities, as well as premier lifestyle options with the critical infrastructure required to service a diverse and growing economy. The owner is selling due to family circumstances, offering an astute buyer a golden opportunity to earn a good solid income in a spectacular lifestyle location.